everyone, it's Rachel here from Instance by Rachel. Today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to use Canva to upload pins onto Pinterest. So let's jump over to Canva. I have this Pinterest pin set up on my account. There are a lot of templates that you can use for free inside Canva, so you would just click over here onto templates and you can browse to see any that might catch your eye. I don't have a lot of Pinterest templates on my store at the moment, but I can design them on request, fit kind of your color scheme or any themes that you have within your brand. In Etsy as well, there is a lot of stores who offer interest pin template bundles, all really good value and really good quality as well. So you could always check out there, or you can give it a go making it yourself. So with this particular one, it's just a basic pin mock-up. We have the size preset to 1000 by 1500 pixels. Pinterest do prefer the vertical style pins. It's more eye-catching. So here this is a photo placement, so you just drag and drop any photos that you have into here. I've got one uploaded, so we'll just do that quickly. If you want to upload your own pictures into Canva, you just click here where it says upload media, find any photos that you have that you want to upload, and then they're available for you. Once you have edited your design and your text, you want to change the background colours, anything like that, you can do so. So once you're happy with your pin and you want to upload it to Pinterest, if you're a pro member, I believe you can just click on this button here where it says publish to Pinterest, select where it's going, put your title in, add a description, learn how to make a mock-up, destination website, so that's where you would put the link either back to your Etsy store, your Instagram, any place that you want the link when people click onto your pin, where you want that to take them. So if I was doing if I had this set up to be a business card template, I would have the link going back to my Etsy store onto that particular item for sale. And once you've done that, you can click the Publish Now button and that will just go automatically up onto your Pinterest. If you don't want to do it that way, you can click here to download, and we'll just click to download the first page, click on to download, and then we would jump over to Pinterest, go to create pin, and that should be in my downloads, Pinterest pin example, and then you would add your title here, free mock-up tutorial. Amazing tutorial. And again, you would just add in the destination link to the website or your store, anything you want, and then you can just click on to publish. Make sure you've got it in the right section on your thing, click publish, and that's it done. Okay, so I know that was quite a fast tutorial, but hopefully it was informative for you. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to send me a message and I'll try my best to help as much as possible. But for now, I'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!